Reclaim AI. Do you feel like your calendar owns you instead of the other way around? Ever spend more time juggling meetings, tasks, and focus blocks than actually doing work itself? If so, you're not alone, and this is where Reclaim AI steps in. Reclaim is not just another digital calendar. It's an intelligent scheduling assistant built to take back control of your time. Connected directly to Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar, it works behind the scenes to automatically block focus hours, arrange meetings, and even schedule personal routines like exercise or breaks, all while adjusting in real time if something changes. Think about how much time you lose each week just reshuffling tasks or trying to find meeting slots that work for everyone. Reclaim automates that entire process. Its Smart Meetings feature finds the best times for teams without endless back-and-forth emails, while scheduling links let you easily share your availability. Even better, it defends focus blocks, inserts buffer times, and color codes your day so you can instantly see where your energy is going. The real strength of Reclaim lies in its integrations. Whether you use Asana, Todoist, Jira, ClickUp, or Google Tasks, Reclaim pulls tasks straight into your calendar and assigns time automatically. It also syncs with Slack to update your status so your team knows when you're in deep work. And with built-in analytics, you can finally see where your time is being wasted and fix it. While its native task tools are basic and it relies on cloud access, the payoff is huge. Reclaim users report saving up to 40% of their workweek. That's nearly 2 full days back in your hands every single week. So, the question is simple. Will you keep letting your schedule run you, or take control with an assistant that actually defends your time?